Barnley Speak present 10 facts about doves, the most symbolic birds. The dove, one of the most symbolic birds, holds deep meaning across cultures and religions. With its elegant appearance and gentle nature, the dove is a powerful symbol of peace, love, and harmony. Its pure white plumage represents purity, innocence, and spiritual enlightenment. The dove's significance can be traced back to ancient times, where it was associated with deities, messengers, and the concept of divine intervention. Known for their monogamous nature, doves symbolize loyalty, fidelity, and everlasting love. They are often seen as messengers carrying important news or blessings from the heavens. Doves also embody hope, new beginnings, and the freedom to soar above challenges. Their peaceful presence brings healing, tranquility, and a sense of unity. Moreover, the dove serves as a reminder of our responsibility to protect the environment and strive for a more sustainable future. Overall, the dove's symbolism encompasses peace, love, purity, communication, hope, and environmental consciousness. Here are the most symbolic pigeon bird facts. Number 1. Symbol of peace. Doves are widely recognized as symbols of peace. This association can be traced back to ancient times when doves were associated with the goddess of love and beauty, Aphrodite, and the messenger of the gods, Hermes. Number 2. White dove symbolism. White doves in particular are highly symbolic. Their pure white color is often associated with purity, innocence, and spiritual enlightenment. They have been used in various cultural and religious ceremonies to symbolize peace, love, and hope. Number 3. Biblical significance. Doves hold significant symbolism in various religious texts, particularly in the Bible. In Christian tradition, the dove is associated with the Holy Spirit and is said to have descended upon Jesus during his baptism. The dove carrying an olive branch is also seen as a symbol of peace and divine intervention, as mentioned in the story of Noah's Ark. Number 4. Universal symbol. The symbolism of doves transcends cultural and religious boundaries. They are recognized as symbols of peace and love in many different societies and are often used to convey messages of goodwill and harmony. Number 5. Love and devotion. Doves are known for their strong monogamous bonds. They mate for life and symbolize loyalty, fidelity, and love. As a result, they are often used as symbols of love and romantic partnerships. Number 6. Messenger symbolism. Doves have long been associated with the role of messengers. In Greek mythology, doves were believed to carry messages between humans and the gods. This association with communication and the divine has made doves symbolic messengers of important news or blessing. Number 7. Hope and rebirth. Doves are seen as symbols of hope and new beginnings. Their ability to fly and soar high in the sky represents freedom and liberation. In many cultures, doves are released during ceremonies or events to symbolize the release of burdens, the start of a new chapter, or the hope for a better future. Number 8. Symbol of the soul. Doves are sometimes regarded as symbols of the soul and spiritual transformation. Their gentle and graceful flight is associated with transcendence and the journey of the soul towards enlightenment or higher realms. Number 9. Healing and harmony. Doves are often associated with healing and restoration. Their calming presence and peaceful nature are believed to promote harmony and soothe troubled souls. In some cultures, the cooing sound of doves is considered therapeutic and is thought to bring about a sense of tranquility. Number 10. Environmental symbolism. Doves are also seen as symbols of environmental consciousness and the need for conservation. Their delicate and sensitive nature highlights the importance of protecting and preserving the natural world. Doves serve as reminders of our responsibility to live in harmony with nature and work towards a sustainable future. Do you agree with this list? Can you think of any other cute things, girls? Do that guys love? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.